Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community. So if you like any post on Insta and you are facing the same error that try again later, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, you just have to go back out from Instagram and then open the Instagram application again, and now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings, and in settings just tap on this security and tap on this password, the first option, and now you have to change your password. So first of all, you just have to write your password like whatever your password is, and then you have to enter your new password. So first of all, you have to write your old password and then you have to enter your new password, and then just tap on this check mark icon in the upper right corner. And after changing the password, the second step what you have to do is you have to take the screenshot of your error, like whatever error you are facing, and tap on your profile icon again. Tap on these three bars, go for settings, and in settings you just have to tap on this help and go for this report a problem and tap on this report a problem again. And now you have to tap on this include and continue, and you have to write Instagram that what problem you are facing. So you can write like, hi Instagram team, I'm facing this error, try again later, kindly fix this error for me. And you can upload the screenshot of your problem as well, and then tap on this send, and Instagram will review your account and hopefully they will solve your problem in next 2 to 3 business days. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.